Hello everyone. My name is Kirtana. I did my graduation in Electrical and Electronics Engineering in 2021 from GMR Institute of Technology. So I have been very enthusiastic about data science field since my pre-final year. Mainly the business applications of it drew me towards data science. The main reasons to choose Alma Better is that it provides educational opportunities to every data science enthusiast. And also the primary reason for choosing Alma Better over other institution was its unique pay after placement model again, because and also the Alma Better has its robust curriculum and the risk-free educational approach are what it makes the best data science institution. Alma Better's robust curriculum and various learning elements like the mentorship sessions and my learning experience is one of its kind. One-on-one mentorship sessions are the best element of the curriculum as they help me to connect with various kinds of data scientists who are working in various kinds of fields. This made my exposure widen and these sessions gave me a lot of knowledge. Also, their daily feedback helped me to polish myself and I always felt challenged and pushed my limits. Working on capstone projects definitely helped me. There is when the expansion of knowledge started. The capstone projects helped me to gain a tremendous amount of understanding of the industry, and working on capstone projects also helped me to gain the actual aspects of the learning, and it helped me to grasp the required skills to become a successful data scientist. Moreover, working in teams with peers has boosted my teamwork skills. AMA sessions is the perfect opportunity for the students to broaden their knowledge of data science use cases in different industries. Experienced professionals talk about their experience and provide their valuable insights into the industry. The AMA sessions made me industry ready and kept me motivated throughout the journey. Alma Better conducted communication training in collaboration with Tata, which is very beneficial in improving the communication and time management skills. I can strongly say that after being in Alma Better, that I am never afraid to manage my time and work hard because it pushed my limits to that extent. My placement experience is very good. After 2 months of the exciting job hunt, I got placed with an excellent company. In this process, I kept learning and growing daily. And mainly the mock interviews helped a lot because I did not face any real kind of interviews before that. So the mock interviews were really helpful. Many mentors helped me in my resume building sessions by conducting them. So it was good experience to have. Alma Better helped me to secure a fantastic job, and I will be very grateful for that. Alma Better is the ideal place to get excellent learning exposure and shape your future. My only advice of upcoming students is that to be patient throughout the journey and work hard as you can, and the work that we did will never fail.